Well, g'day curd nerds and welcome to day 4 of the Cheese a Day challenge. And today's cheese is a special one. It's from Tasmania and it is King Island Tasmanian Pepper Berry. Okay, so this is quite a unique cheese because it's using a native bush spice. Tasmanian Pepper Berry is a little bit stronger than normal black pepper, so and it's got some lovely marbling through the cheese as well, so that's quite unique. But it's made of the King Island dairy on King Island, which is an island in between Victoria and Tasmania here in Australia. This piece of cheese retailed for $6.72 Australian, and it's 100 grams in weight. So let's crack open the Tasmanian Pepper Berry, shall we? It's got a nice yellow wax coating, so they've obviously waxed it. I think it's in the cheddar style or something like that, because it's quite crumbly. Just trying to get that off. So I'll just take the wax off. Yeah, it looks like it was definitely waxed for maturation. Might have been quite a... oh no, it's actually been cut. So the wheel itself, you can see the rounded part of the rind, the normal rounded part, and then there's been a cut. So they've waxed it after the fact. So there must have been a fairly large wheel of cheese, and what they've done, they've cut it into sections for the consumer. So that's okay, I don't mind that. Let's have a look at the smell. Sweet notes. You smell the spiciness of the pepper, of the Tasmanian Pepper Berry. Yeah, very nice. Smells very similar to probably Gouda actually, so probably not so much on the cheddar side. So let's get right into this and have a taste. So here it is. Let's try a piece. I've got my trusty water crackers, just plain water crackers, and they're all crushed. The box must have got squished or something. Anyway, let's have a look. Firm is first indications. Like I said, smells sweet of all things. Oh, there's a pepper bite. That's strong. I think because I got a pepperberry right in my mouth. Overall, it's creamy, a little bit dry, which is okay. It's fine for this sort of cheese. The pepper taste has just coated the whole inside of my mouth, so that's the more dominating flavour than anything, besides the cheesiness of the cheese, I suppose. Bloody mosquito. Very nice, really rich cheese. More overpowered by the pepper than the cheese flavour, but it looks like they've done some sort of pepper water which they've put through the whole, so that they've soaked the curds in, very similar to when I did like sage derby or something like that. So yeah, really interesting flavours, really nice. This would really complement a cheese platter. I think any wine that will complement would be a dark red or a heavy red like Shiraz, maybe Merlot, and for a beer, probably a dark ale, not as heavy as say a Guinness, but maybe a porter or a dark ale. That will complement this cheese very well. So very nice. And I went on the King Island Dairy website yesterday, and I couldn't find this cheese in their catalogue, but the label, it definitely says King Island Dairy. So they must make it especially for the supermarket chain that I bought it in. So yeah, they don't sell it per se for the consumer, so go figure. But very nice cheese, highly recommend. If you can get your hands on some King Island Pepper Berry cheese, then go for it. It is one of those hidden gems in the cheesy world, in the cheese cabinet of the supermarket. So yeah, so really, really nice cheese. In fact, I'll try a little more. Oh, those pepper berries really have a kick. Oh, very, very nice. Delightful. That would have to be one of my favourites so far. Very, very nice. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Tomorrow's cheese will be, wait for it, it's going to be Marsden. So I know I recently made Leerdama, which is the same as a Marsden, but I'm going to be tasting the commercial one imported from the Netherlands. So that'll be very interesting. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds. Don't forget you can support the show via Patreon or YouTube memberships. This keeps the lights on and the cameras hot, all that sort of good stuff. I would appreciate it if you could support the show financially. That would be great. That'll keep me in cheese. I'll be able to buy some more. Anyway, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.